So what's up? It's currently 9:45 in the morning and I have school. No, it's 9 o'clock in the morning and I have school at 9:49. So I'm gonna try to get ready. I'm already changed, kind of. I don't want to wear this, but it's on my body already, so I'm just gonna wear it. I have to act really fast because I have to leave at 9:20. So I'm gonna make this part like 15 minutes, hopefully. I really don't know if I should do my makeup right now. The tea, sis. I already opened it up, by the way. I'm really tired. I keep on having lucid dreams, but I don't really like them. Like, usually I do when I want to, but I don't like it because I can't wake up in them. Not like bad dreams or anything, but it's not bad. It's just like I would rather just have a go with the flow kind of dream. And yeah. I don't really like filling my eyebrows recently. Just not the biggest fan of it. But I do like a light, like to fill in my bald spots. So. I'm gonna hurry. Oh my gosh, I'm already running late. By the way, I'm gonna try to vlog during school. Probably not a lot, but who knows if I will. But I have a hair appointment today because this hair is awful. I'm just putting a little bit on the back of my hand. You guys shouldn't look at me for advice, to be honest. Yeah, I think this might not be my color, but she told me it was, the lady at Sephora. And I really did trust her. I have like 5 minutes to finish this completely. Now I have to do something about the rest of my face in 3 minutes. Wow, okay. I'm going to bronze, maybe? I'll just do a brown thing, I guess. I don't really know. Yeah, I'm gonna use I'm not even gonna explain this. I'm running so late. I have 50 seconds before I'm gonna be officially not on time. Well, not. Ooh. I'm so, like, not funny. Like, I know I'm never gonna get anywhere on YouTube because I'm simply just not funny. And that's the real tea. Should I just give up and be late to school? Like, or just not go, you know? I mean, it's like okay, I guess. Ooh, that's bright. Oh, this is the holiday collection. That's probably why it's so red. I am so late, and the thing that stresses me out the most about it is like I don't even look good. So I'm gonna come into school late and look like a fool. Like I look like a clown, but it's okay because I'm not trying to impress anyone. That's what I keep on telling myself. Yeah, I changed my top to a white sweater because I thought it would be cuter, and then I put it on and it wasn't cuter, and it just looks like I'm going to a Christmas party, and it's the end of January, so Christmas season's long gone, yet I still look like this. And it's a turtleneck, which I was just too lazy to change it, but yeah. So I'm making my way to school. I'm not speeding, I'm still going the speed limit, and I think I might make it, but I'm stressed, needless to say. I ran out of storage again. I just got to school, and I'm already a minute late. I'm in my car. I'm not really doing well. I'm at 5% on my phone, so I'm shoving the charger in here. I hate walking in late because this class has a lot of stairs. You know what I mean? When you walk in and there's people there and they're like, ooh, and I'm like, I'm sorry. And today I look like a clown. So, we'll see how that goes.
I spelled out blood.
No! Maddie!
You guys love this class.
Oh my god, are you vlogging? Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh
my god, oh my god.
Your coffee breath went into my mouth.
I'm so sorry. You literally look so fucking good. Like, I'm really sure.
Just like the other day
You
in
walked
class,
into this classroom and I didn't even realize that it was you. Because I like expected you to be like dressed up like as a clown and like fucking makeup all over your face. But like it's so natural. Like the makeup you did now, it looks like natural.
So it's interesting to
Give me the cup. Let go. By heaven, I'll have. Oh God, I am behind me. If thou didst ever hold me in thy heart, absent thee from felicity a while, and in this harsh world, draw thy breath in pain to tell my story.
Alright, so Horatio wants to kill himself too.
You're literally so pretty. Where is my mind?
Yeah, we're not gonna.
just like pull the school, like
Subscribe to my
in the
YouTube
car,
channel.
like every day. of the
I'll
week.
link it down below.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Leave now.
Do they want to be in my vlog? They don't want to be in my vlog.
It hurts when I flex my nose like this.
You stop doing that. I just hit you in the face.
Replay of me getting emotionally attacked.
In the camera.
With me as my car at all?
It's lunch now.
It's lunch and I'm here. Beauty. Dude, look at my acne. I forgot to put makeup on, so when she doesn't zoom, and you gotta like look at that like tutorial acne, kind of crusty tutorial. Guys, like I'm like you know like how beauty gurus put their hand behind it. I'm putting my hand behind my head so then they can see it better.
What's happening?
I want to be a vlogger, but like I'm kind of trash.
I am too, but I just do it. Jeez.
I'm just like taking over. I'm taking over the vlog channel. So your mom said that your vlog, I was in your vlog. Your vlog's at 12. No, your appointment's at 12.
We're both wearing white.
Okay, bye.
She need.
Bye.
Oh, she.
I'm sorry, it's so cold. Harley.
Ready, Emma?
It won't be cold in my car. I don't want to
What's
go.
this? Oh.
I know.
I'm bad at it. I can't do it.
Oh.
Yeah. Squish.
Come back though.
But I'm like, oh, I can't do this. When she's a thickie.
Stop. She keeps
Porn.
on flashing my vlogs.
Porn.
And she's been wearing the same bra for like a week.
Dude, sis, they're gonna be like, they just made this like for a year. Dude, look at my hair. It's kind of cute today.
It's really cute.
So Clay, guys,
What's
is my nose piercing closed now?
China? I was like, wait, what? Okay, so first question of the video.
Like not closed out. But
Oh.
You wanna be my vlog?
Yeah, she's vlogging. I'm taking over her vlog channel. How did you know I was here?
So I was
'Cause we
thinking
just,
and I
like,
had my
we
hand like on this
sensed
side.
You sensed my tingling tip both.
Yep. Okay, hey guys. So my battery's been dying, or not my battery, my storage has been running out so much and I keep on deleting old videos. But it's been a struggle today, so this might cut out, but my lunchtime thing cut out. Also, hold on, let me just get out of here. Then I had a hair appointment right after lunch, actually kind of during. And so as you can see, it's a lot shorter and it's curled and real cute. And they did a treatment, so it's a lot healthier because it was so unhealthy before. Because I've dyed it so many times.